You've heard the word Web3 thrown around everywhere. Crypto Twitter, tech news, your friends who suddenly became blockchain experts. But here's what nobody actually explains clearly: what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, what it means for your money and your digital life. In the next 8 minutes, that changes. Welcome to Token Logic, where we break down crypto and Web3 with real data, no hype. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe. Let's get into it. To understand Web3, you need to understand what came before it. Think of the internet in 3 chapters. Chapter 1, Web 1. This was the early internet, pure information. Static pages you could read, but never interact with. Think online encyclopedias and basic websites. You were a reader, nothing more. Chapter 2, Web 2. This is the internet most of us grew up with. Social media, YouTube, Google, Amazon. Suddenly anyone could create content and connect with the world. Powerful, right? But here's the catch. Every platform you use owns your data. Facebook owns your profile. YouTube owns your channel. Spotify owns your playlists. You create the value, they capture it. You're not the customer, you're the product. Chapter 3, Web 3. This is where we are heading. An internet where you own your data, your digital assets, and your online identity. No middlemen, no big tech gatekeepers. Just you and a blockchain. So what exactly is Web 3? Here's the cleanest definition. Web 3 is a decentralized version of the internet, built on blockchain technology, where users own and control their data and digital assets, without relying on any central authority. Let me break that down with a simple example everyone understands. Right now, if you send money to someone using your bank decides if that transaction goes through. They can freeze your account, they can reverse a payment, they can block you without explanation. You've experienced this if you've ever had a transfer delayed or flagged. In Web 3, when you send money using a crypto wallet, the rules live in code on a blockchain. That code runs automatically. Nobody, not a developer, not a government, not a bank, can change the outcome once it's set. The transaction either meets the conditions or it doesn't. That's it. This concept is called a smart contract, and it's the engine that powers everything in Web 3. Web 3 is built on 5 core components. Let's run through each one quickly. Number 1, blockchain. This is the foundation. A shared, public database that records every transaction permanently. Nobody owns it, everybody can verify it. Number 2, smart contracts. Self-executing agreements written in code. When conditions are met, they execute automatically. No lawyers, no banks, no delays. Number 3, crypto wallets. Your gateway into Web 3. Instead of logging into platforms with an email and password that a company controls, your wallet is your identity. You hold the keys. Number 4, tokens and digital assets. In Web 3, you can truly own digital things. Currencies, NFTs, governance rights and protocols. Ownership is verified on the blockchain, not stored on a company's server. Number 5, decentralized apps or DApps. These are applications that run on a blockchain instead of a company's server. Nobody can shut them down. Nobody can change the rules midway through. This might still sound abstract, so let me give you real examples of Web 3 working right now in 2026. DeFi, decentralized finance. Imagine earning interest on your crypto without a bank, or borrowing money without a credit check. Protocols like Aave and Uniswap let people lend, borrow, and trade directly with each other. No bank required. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. A company run entirely by code and community votes. Token holders make decisions together. No CEO, no boardroom. Decentralized identity. Instead of Google or Facebook verifying who you are online, your Web3 wallet becomes your universal identity. Services like ENS give you a human-readable name like yourname.eth that works across all Web3 applications. And here's the bigger picture. In 2026, Web3 is no longer just theory. It's quietly becoming infrastructure. Payments, supply chains, healthcare records, financial systems. Blockchain is being woven into all of it, mostly while people aren't watching. Now here's my honest, analytical take. Because at Token Logic, we don't just explain, we give you perspective. Web3 is real and it's growing, but it's not perfect yet. Smart contracts can still be exploited. Scams are everywhere. Scalability is still a challenge. Most blockchains can't yet handle the transaction volume of traditional systems. The opportunity is real, but so is the risk, which is exactly why education matters. The people who understand how this technology actually works are the ones who will benefit from it, not the ones chasing hype. That's why Token Logic exists. To give you the data, the analysis, and the honest perspective, you need to navigate this space intelligently. So that's Web3, the decentralized internet that's quietly reshaping how ownership, money, and identity work online. If this breakdown helped you make sense of it, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. Every week we drop new analysis, market breakdowns, and Web3 education designed to keep you ahead of the curve. Next video, we're breaking down how to actually read on-chain data to spot market moves before they happen. You don't want to miss that one. I'm Token Logic. Stay logical.